If you're wanting to grow revenue in tough times, it's pretty similar to growing revenue in any time. You need to have a real focus on what are the things that are going to grow that revenue. So we always say that there are 4 ways to grow your business. The first one is to have more customers. The second is to get your customers to come back more often, buy more often. The third is to have them buy more when they do come back to you. And then the fourth is how do we increase or improve the efficiency of the processes that we make. The least effective in growing your business is increasing the number of customers that you've got. It's harder to get a new customer, in fact 6 times harder to get a new customer than to get a customer to come back and buy from you. In terms of getting new customers, you really need to develop new relationships. And so getting out there and first of all finding the customer that might want your services. So how do I source those? Secondly, developing the relationship enough that they will buy from you as opposed to someone else. Studies that were made some years ago said that 58% of customers bought based on relationship at a high level. So if you haven't got that relationship, it takes so much longer to develop the long-term sales. Only 15% purchased on price. A lot of businesses think that price is the reason that people buy, but often when they come and ask a question, they ask about price because they don't know what else to ask about. When you've got existing customers, if you can keep in touch with them regularly, then you're continuing to develop that relationship. And we call it nurturing. So you're nurturing along your customer and you're identifying by talking to them what their needs might be, while also being aware of what the needs are of your other customers similar to them. So you can say, well, actually this customer must or might be using these other products that we've got. Perhaps they don't know that we have them, or perhaps the products that they're buying from someone else are better than ours. But if they are better than ours, then do we need to be looking at getting a better quality of product to meet their needs? Could be a multitude of reasons as to why they don't use our product than somebody else's, but we'll only find that out by talking to them and asking the right questions. And that's the way that we can get them buying more things from us. So in growing revenue, it's about which part of that revenue would you focus on. Are you looking to focus particularly on your existing clients? And that's what I would recommend that you do, rather than looking for lots of new ones. Make sure that you keep and nurture along those existing clients.